Hi, this is Kangaroo Barbara, and today we're in a snowstorm. And we're looking for Bob again. Bob, is that you? I think that's Bob. Oh, I'm stuck in the snow. A little help here. Alright, let's get you out. It's very cold out here. Well, if you want, you can stay at the Skulls and Bones Hotel to get warm. And no, we don't want to do that. We hate that hotel. Thanks, but no thanks. Kangaroo Betty, is that you? Yeah, that's me, Kangaroo Bob. What are you doing out here? Oh, just sitting here, enjoying the weather.
Hey guys, do you know of anywhere that's hiring? I kinda need a job. I was fired, remember?
Well, I don't really know, but they won't hire people that smoke, you know.
Well, maybe I'll have to give up my cigarettes.
Yeah, maybe you should think about that. Alright, well, it's really cold. That's all the time we have for today. Bye!